So 10 minus the old price is 8. So 10 minus 8 into the old price is 8 rupees per kg of tea. So 8 divided by, at when it was 8, then the quantity demand is 100. So 8 divided by 100. Now what is the quantity? So 120 minus 100 is 20, divided by 10 minus 8 is 2, into 8 by 100. So if we solve these numerical figures, then we will get ultimate result 8 by 10, which is 0.8, and 0.8 is less than 1. So it is the final result. Is it clear now? Your example is clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy. Now these examples are very easy. So
Yes, ma'am.
look at once the example. You look at once. If there have any problem, should not have any problem. But though you have if any problem, then ask me. Otherwise, I
Ma'am,
will give you
always
one
we have to
example to
minus
prove
from the
it.
second changing price.
Which one?
Ma'am, always we have to minus from the changing price and
Yes,
changing demand.
new price minus old price. Which is the new price? From that price, we have to subtract the earlier price.
Ma'am, in case of price elasticity and this
All
one
price
income
elasticity and income elasticity, all the cases, from initially you have to write the new price, then you have to write the old price. But in the second portion, after multiplication sign, where you have to write only price and quantity, there you have to write the old price and old quantity, not new one.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now you write one example. Okay, you write. There are two commodities. There are two commodities. Yes, students, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. There are two commodities, A and B. There are two commodities, A and B, and commodity A's price. Commodity A's price is 120. A's price is 120, and B's quantity demand is 55 kg. Is 55. B's quantity demand is 55 kg. After full stop, when A's price changes to 115 115 rupees 115, then B's quantity demand changes to 37 kg. Calculate cross elasticity of demand. Calculate cross elasticity of demand. And the next question you again write is A's price, commodity A's price is 75 rupees, and B's demand and B's demand is 93 kg. B's demand is 93 kg. Later, A's price changes to A's price changes to 77 rupees 77 rupees and demand demand remains same still remain same. Calculate calculate cross elasticity of demand. So in these both examples, you have to find out the answer. Apart from that, you have to categorize under which category of elasticity of demand these examples are belongs. Okay, clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
do it if you
Ma'am,
finish up.
ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the first question again?
You just write the figures. Okay, A's initial rupees is 120, and then B's demand is 55 kg. A's price reduces to 115 and B's quantity demand reduces to 37 kg. Okay, এটা ভিডিঅ' মোৰ ষ্টপ হৈ গ'ল, কাৰেণ্টটো গুচি গ'ল যে। Yes, students, you finish it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 second. Okay, you finished out with the two example.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the result?
Ma'am, first one is 8.727.
How much for the first one?
8.727.
8 point
8.727.
8 point. So huge. All of you get it
It's
8 point.
7.85, ma'am.
7.85, ma'am.
7.8, ma'am.
7.8.
7
7.8.
0.7.8.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 7.8.
7.85.
7.85.
Okay, two large cap. And for the second one,
7.8.
Zero.
it is 0.
0, ma'am.
So if it
Zero,
is,
zero.
do you
Second
know
one.
why it is 0? Which category then? If it is 0,
Relatively inelastic.
Elas-
huh?
Relatively
Relatively elastic.
inelastic.
Inelastic, perfectly inelastic.
Elastic.
Why it is perfectly inelastic? You check the price changes, correct? Price changes, but demand is not changes. So if one changes and another is not changes, we can say it is inelastic. That means whatever price changes, it is not at all affected the demand for the another commodity. So which type of commodities belongs to this category? Which type of commodities? Give some example. Yes.
Ma'am, medicine. Medicine.
Necessary commodities. Yes. Medicine,
Necessary
salt. So this type of
commodity.
commodities, whatever price changes, it may increase or decrease. It is not at all affected the demand for the commodity. And for the first one, which category it is? Is it less than one or greater than one?
Greater than 1, ma'am.
Greater than
If it is
1.
greater than one, then which category?
Relatively
Relatively
elastic.
elastic.
Relatively
Relatively
elastic. That
elastic.
means whatever price changes, quantity demand changes more than that. So a small change in price also affected a huge amount of quantity demand changes. Correct. So I send you certain pictures. Do you know, see it in your group? Can you
Yes, ma'am.
find out?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
there,
Yes, ma'am.
so these are the basic concept of elasticity of demand. Okay. So there are three elasticity of demand, and these are the concept, and these formulas you have to memorize. And based on these formulas, you have to make solution for these numerical examples. So I gave you certain importance. So there is one word written, price elasticity, importance of price elasticity, and what I gave you, importance and uh, initial one, acha, factors affecting price elasticity. So what happened with, yes, Ankit? So what happened to you? How many times you were left the meeting? Okay, so factors affecting, so here it is written price elasticity. So here price elasticity indicates, I first class I mentioned that elasticity of demand itself is a price elasticity of demand. So if it is price elasticity, then you have to understand this is elasticity of demand. Okay, so you read these concepts. So what are the factors? So if you read this, I think you will be clear about it. Still, if you have any doubt, then ask me on my next class. So these are the factors. So factors are given. Then secondly, what is given? Importance of the concept of price elasticity. So importance. Hello students, am I audible? Yes, students. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the things. You just read it out. I think it will be clear if you go through the note, and if you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, what will be the answer of the first question?
so 0 to 1. Okay, 1 to 10.
Ma'am, 2,
Ma'am,
ma'am, 2.
10, 1 0.
10. Then
Ma'am, 0, 2.
2.
0, 2.
Okay, 0 2. Then
4.
4. Then 4. Then 11 to 20.
20, ma'am.
Ma'am, 13.
20. Then
Ma'am,
okay. Who is the
ma'am,
class
12.
representative? Who is here? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
20 in between 11 to 20. Only 20.
Ma'am,
Then 20.
13.
Huh?
Ma'am,
13.
ma'am, 12, 12.
12.
Ma'am,
Okay.
20.
12, 20. Then
13.
1 3.
Yes,
13.
ma'am.
Okay. Anyone in between 11 to 30, 20? 21 to 30.
26, ma'am.
26. Then
25.
25, ma'am.
25. Then
Ma'am, 28.
28.
Ma'am, 21.
21. Then 30.
24. Ma'am,
24.
24.
Okay. Then 31 to 40.
31, ma'am.
34, ma'am.
31. 34. Then
34.
34 given. Then 41 to 50.
Ma'am, 41.
41.
48.
Ma'am, 43.
48. 43. Anyone in between 41 to 50? 51 to 60.
Ma'am, 44. Ma'am,
44.
44.
44 given. 51 to 60.
57.
56.
Ma'am, 53.
53.
Ma'am,
56.
ma'am,
49. 50.
57.
57. Then
56, ma'am.
55.
56. 55. Okay. Anyone in between 61 to 70?
69, ma'am.
68, ma'am.
Ma'am, 70.
17. Anyone 61 to 70?
70.
70.
69, ma'am. 69.
69.
70.
70 given.
68, ma'am.
8.
Ma'am,
Anyone?
70.
65, ma'am.
Huh?
65. 65, ma'am.
65.
Ma'am, 70.
70 given. Okay, you check it. If not, then give your attendance. Okay. So we shall stop here. Okay. Okay. We will meet on
Hello,
Monday.
ma'am.
Yes.
Can you give us, ma'am, syllabus?
Okay, I will send it in the group.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any information regarding your sessional exam?
No, ma'am.
Not
Oh.
yet, ma'am.
Okay, not yet. No, okay.